Hey, today we're taking a look at the SR-3 Mid Maratac watch, and it's a new watch for us, a 40 millimeter. We've had some requests to scale it down a little bit. Some people can't handle the 46 millimeter watches, so we made this a 40 millimeter, just about 40 millimeters exactly, 12.9 millimeters in thickness, and it has a dome sapphire crystal on it. We did not use a anti-reflective coating because the dial size of the watch is quite small compared to the larger big brother of this watch here. And so we put the emphasis more on the luminous material, the dial, and the casework. You notice the inside of the movement holder is a 9015 Miyota 24 jewel. It's a hacking movement, pretty accurate movement, going against ETA right now, the 2824. We have an anodized aluminum red movement holder inside. We also moved the crown back to the 4 o'clock position by request. A lot of customers like the conventional crown, so we went back to a conventional crown, screw down at the 4 o'clock position. The lug width of the watch is 20 millimeters, so you can fit any two-piece or one-piece band here, no problem. And that's the first look. Has C3 Illuminova on the dial. It also does not have a date nor any case markings or dial markings, I should say. It's just really a clean look. Again, luminous second hand, luminous indices, and there is a 24-hour chapter on the inside at a 50-degree angle on the inside. So there you are, the first look at the Maratac SR-3 Mid.